Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know when last I spoke to you guys. Let me just fix my duke. I don't know when the last time was that I spoke to you guys, but I am still trying to unpack my shit. I'm still trying to unpack. I know it's a lot, but yeah, it is my life. Yeah, thought you guys could help me carry on unpacking. My room was just too full in the beginning, so I didn't even have space to put you guys, but we have space now. And yeah, I think you guys can see I'm like busy unpacking. So like my wardrobe, guys, I'm not a great packer, okay? I just need things folded and inside. I don't color coordinate or do any of that fancy stuff. I just fold my clothes and I put them according to like t-shirts, pants, whatever. That's all I do. I just categorize in terms of what type of clothing item it is. But yeah, my bed is still a mess. Don't know if you guys can see. Wait, let me bring you guys down so you can see. It's still a mess. I'm just gonna put you guys like this so you can see. It's still a mess. I've got so much stuff. I found these things in my wardrobe, guys, yo, and I had so much nostalgia. Let me show you. So first, it's like drawings from the past. I used to love drawing cartoons. Look at that. I don't even think I can draw anymore. Look at that. Look at that. I honestly don't think I can draw anymore, because I'd say I'm one of those people who are like taught how to draw. I'm not like naturally like gifted at it, so there's that. And I also found these pictures. I'm guessing from like, well, not guessing, I know from like high school and primary. Oh my gosh, wait, let me show you. This was my favorite teacher. She taught me in grade 1 and then she moved to grade 3 and she taught me again. It was the best time of my life. And yeah, I used to love her. And it's so funny, look, I don't know if you guys can see because it's kind of like rubbed off, but I had hearts around all like my friends' faces. Like I had a heart over Tandagazi's face, I have a heart over Mpho's face, I have a heart over, who else? That's it. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have a heart over in these pictures. Oh, I'm dropping them. And then I also have this photo from grade 6. I don't know what happened to my other class photos, but I also have this photo from grade 6. And yeah, I also have a heart on my Kiwe's face. And I also have a heart on Aya's face. I haven't spoken to these people in ages. It's so crazy. But yeah, those used to be like my friends. I had a lot more friends, but I don't have my other class photos, which means I don't have their pictures. But yeah, oh my word, when I saw these, I was like, what? And I was so many, like, we used to do this thing in my school where when we get our class photo, when we get our photos, we'd swap photos with friends and stuff. Look at this. Yeah, guys, oh, she looks gorgeous now. Not that she didn't in primary, but she looks really pretty still. This is my photo with my cousin. I don't know if I should show this because if she would see this, she'd kill me. But I'm just gonna hide it a bit, like just show you guys a glimpse. This is a photo with my cousin Yanga. We look a mess, child. Look at how dark I look. I'm gonna hide her face because she looks a mess. Like her eyes are like rolling and shit. I don't know what is going on. Oh girl, the struggle of relaxed hair. Oh no. It's like I'm seeing these all over again for the first time now that I'm sharing them with you guys. It's crazy. Sesetu, the sissy be like my hostel kid. Oh my word. My cousin Essie. We all look a mess. This is Paul. She used to be a very, very close friend of mine. And yeah, it's crazy because now I haven't seen her in like years. Wild. Anyway, yeah, that's all that I'm going to show you guys because the other photos are locked. Oh my word. And look at this letter. It's got plastic all over it, but like it's a letter from this kid that I used to like. I was like her hostel mother, man. It's so cute. It says, "Dear Tiara, I love you and this is a gift for you. You took care of me for 2 years and I thank you for your hard work. I want to give you this gift because you treated me like your own child." Girl, I was in grade 7. I know you as my mother in the hostel. I love you very much and thank you very much. Love from Mimi. Oh, guys. This took me back. That time I was such a crybaby in hostel. I don't even know how I took care of other people. Anyway, let me clean this mess. Because my sister's coming back very soon and she's going to kick me out of her room. So I need to sort my life out. Otherwise, I'm going to have no bed to sleep in. And what the hell am I going to do?
Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say. This is who I am. This is who I am now. They think that I have lost my mind.
Hi guys, it's a couple of hours later and I think I'm making progress. I am so happy. I feel like I'm making progress. Sort of. Let me show you guys. Look at this mess. This is all the mess all the way to the passage. These are my shoes. They just don't have space. I am gonna order some shoe storage online to try and fit these somewhere. And those are things that I don't want in my room. There's like 3 black bags there. Some things I'm giving away. Some things are going to my grand's house, like linen and stuff that my mom wants to go to my grand's. And then some things just, I don't know what's gonna happen. That used to be like a thing where I used to put pictures on, but I'm gonna remove it because things are falling apart. As you can see, it's not even supposed to be vertical, but it is. So yeah, I'm making progress though. That's all I can say. Why do I feel like I'm not focused? That's much better. As I was saying, I'm making progress. I'm tired. Anyway, as you can see, I'm nowhere near being done. My room still looks a mess. Hopefully tomorrow I am gonna be done with it. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going out for the first because I've been home. Very excited because I've been indoors for a while. I am probably not vlogging only because I'm not going to be traveling with a car, and with actually I think I'll see, maybe I'll take you guys with. Maybe I'll take you guys with. Anyway, that is it for today. Do you see my painting? I did that when I was in grade 2. How cute. An artist, darling. My mom put it up in my room a while back and I still haven't taken it down. I probably will take it down because I want to remove that and that. And I just want to put like one big painting across my bed. Like one big painting across like that. Yeah. But yeah, not that it matters because I'm hardly home, but a girl can try to make it look decent, you know. Anyway, yeah, that is it for today, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like cleaning videos, because that's what I've been doing in this vlog. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, the reason I didn't upload yesterday was because we had no electricity in Tat the whole day, which means I couldn't edit the vlog, and by the time the electricity came back it was late, and I was just like hungry and tired, so I didn't put anything up. But I will be putting up the video that I should have put up yesterday tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe.